29 and 30 both are asking us to use the change of base formula. Now, I am very well aware that you can just enter this information into your calculator and it'll spit out the right answer at you. The problem is, then you won't be using the change of base formula. And that's the whole purpose for this, is to get you familiar with what's actually going on with this algorithm. So, what I want you to see is that right now this base is 7. We need to change the base so that we can work with it, all right? So when you want to change the base, you can write it like this, the log of whatever this is, and we're going to give it a base 10 value, and so that's going to be 19 divided by the log, again, change of base, right? So we're changing them both to base 10 values, and that's 7, okay? So you see that this number here ends up in the numerator. This base here, the original base, ends up in the denominator. And then you just enter all of this into your calculator, divided by all of this, and you're good to go. So if for number 30 the same thing is true, you have the log 10, we're changing it to base 10, and then in the numerator we have 24/5, and then this we have log is 10, and then we would have 6 in the denominator. You can enter that all in your calculator. Now, for an extra exercise, I want you to try this. The natural log, you can change it to have a base, both of them have base e as well, which would be the natural log. So you could enter natural log of 24/5 over the natural log of 6. And you should end up with the exact same thing for both of these, because you're just changing them to have the same base. Okay, so that's the principle of this idea that I want you to get. So show some work in order to get credit for this. Don't just write an answer down.